What's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, what's up? What's up? It's your boy 3, and I'm back with another back testing session, man. Before I start this back testing session, though, I'm gonna sign into my evaluation with Earn Trade and see what. Nah, you know what? I ain't even gonna do all that. I'm gonna stick to the script, man. I'm gonna trade this, practice this trade, this brick wall trade, or A plus setup, man, and we'll just get ready for tomorrow's trade day. But for now, I'm gonna download the data. Probably do. I'm gonna try to get some October data. I'm not gonna roll over right now. I'll roll over later on tomorrow. But yeah, let's get some data from October. CP12. Yeah, let's go October 14th through the 18th. See what that week is looking like. And we basically gonna be putting everything we looked at this week together as far as how price reacted on our 5 or 1 and our 4 hours. And we're gonna actually be placing real trades today, or real sim trades. I'm gonna go through the process just how I would. Did I do this session already? Oh, it didn't even load. I did the 14th through the 18th, I believe. We're gonna push play just to see if the data loads properly. I don't see any data loading. So 14 was a Monday, so there should be some data. Some type of data. Alright, here we go. At 12:05. I'm gonna still play it at the 6x speed. No. Let's bring it down. Yeah, because we're not trading overnight. So we're gonna take this time we got to go over the things we need to do. Alright, go our name of our trade. I mean, brick wall. I think I'm gonna just swap it, change it down to bricks. Not to be confused with the bricks, the countries alliance. I mean, bricks with an X. This is an A plus setup, man. But it just requires a lot of patience. we're looking at as far as our edge is for supply and demand, support resistance, the criteria to enter. We need to know if there's an identifiable trend. We need to identify that trend as far as knowing where price is coming from and where it's going by utilizing our supply and demand. Then we gotta look on our 5-minute chart and see if it's respecting the levels on our higher time frames that we drew up. And one of the most important things I need to make sure is that there's no news. So now that I remember that I need to check on the news, I'm gonna pull up Forex Factory, 14th of October through the 18th of October. That's the week I'm gonna pull up. We went back a year instead of a month. Alright, the 14th through the 18th. Apply settings. As far as this Monday, it was a bank holiday. So we're gonna not even trade this Monday. We're not gonna place a trade until this Tuesday. And then this Tuesday we have nothing really major to worry about. Maybe at 8:30 there might be some movement. FOMC members at 11:30, we should be out of the market by then. By like 10:30 we should be out of the market. Alright. So now that we know that we're not trading on the 14th, we can get it moved, we can get it a little fast forward to the 15th. I'll let it go 50x. After we looked at our criteria, the last thing on our criteria is to make sure there's no news present. And we check the news, there's a holiday, so we're not trading that day. Not enough volume. And the market probably closed early around like 12 p.m. Eastern time. Confluences or bricks, they're going to consist of support and resistance levels being the exact same on the 60-minute and 4-hour charts, which is it's a confluence because it's the same. We're going to mark those in solid green or solid red lines. Yeah, like I said, the confluence is going to be like our supply and demand zones. Like some of them might overlap on higher time frames with the lower time frames to help us get like a more of a sniper entry. Our trends are going to need to be clear, and support also needs to be clear on the 250V. This is for like our pullback or retest entry, and the gaps on our 5-minute and our volume chart. They need the gaps in the support and resistance on our 5-minute and our volume chart need to be lining up. As far as the plan, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna find a clear trend. Once I find a clear trend, I'm not gonna go against it. That's the golden rule. Don't go against the trend. Once you find a clear trend, wait for a price on our 5-minute to get close enough to our bricks to react, so like showing some consolidation or reversal. Once it makes a move, we're going to enter on like a pullback or like a retest. But we want to find our entry as close as possible. But when we enter, it has to be closer to the end of an hourly candle close or a 4-hour candle close. Preferably, we're trading an AM session, so it'll be the 8 a.m., 9 a.m., or 10 a.m. close. Our minimum risk to reward is 2 to 1. We're going to exit early if price closes above or below our original bias for the bricks during the hourly or the 4-hour candle close. I'm never going to risk more than 6 ticks, and I'm not going to move my stop loss to break even, and I don't move my stop loss to break even because I don't want to hug it too tight, but I'm also not going to give money back, but I don't want to hug it too tight because a lot of my trades in the past, like I moved my stop loss just to get stopped out and to go back another way. Like whatever I put as my risk, that's what I'm comfortable losing. Like, so I'm not moving my stop loss to break even after the price trades into green. Like if I'm risking it, I'm willing to lose it. So that's my mindset on that. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this written down as far as what we're doing, my trend, my start, my destination. Today is 11/28, I believe. Yeah, 11:28. 24. Session I'm trading is 10:15 through 10:18. 2024. I'm trying to trend. After we find a trend, the start, destination. Road closures and detours. It's on the 4-hour, 1 hour. Our key levels. This is our session open. Our Asia high and low. Overnight high and low. New York session open. 60-minute exhaustion. After I do these key levels, I'm gonna do my bricks. After the breaks, I'm gonna mark any other confluences. Any other confluences. And after that, I'm gonna mark any notable price levels. I want to look for an entry in a pullback or a reset or in a pullback or a retest. Alright, we got that out the way. Let's start off by, okay, we're still in the 14th. Looking at the 4-hour chart, it's a clear downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. I'm gonna start marking some breaks. Since I'm already, not breaks, but some support and resistance. Since I'm already here. Sheesh. Yeah, that's strong. We like that. Let's make this bigger. So 1921. What's it? 1823. I'll do 1826. Alright, that's underneath. Well, that's 1826. We got 25. 1805. Alright. We're about to fix this. Screen's a little small. I just noticed it. So I'm about to fix that screen. Be right with you. Get right with you. Alright. Alright, we back. Had to fix the screen. It wasn't really how I wanted it. But now, finished working up these levels. I said I wasn't trading this October 14th day because it was a bank holiday. The data stopped. The session probably closed at 12 p.m. Basically just getting ready for this next open. So I'm just marking up blinds, marking up support and resistance on this 4 hours right now. Got a few, so I'm gonna move down to the 60-minute. I'm gonna get like 3, maybe 4 on a 60-minute. I'm looking for ones that overlap, like this one, how it overlaps with my 4 hour. So I'm gonna just turn this one straight red. This is one of our bricks. 119 up here. Make this one a white smoke. Like how price reacted at this level for surely. We use data support. I'm not gonna go crazy drawing lines, but I'm definitely gonna make this one because it appears price respected it here. 2 touches here, rejected off of there. Like it fly under it here. We're gonna definitely use this for a 1 hour. So good 3. I want more bricks. I want more where the 1 hour and the 4 hour kind of like overlap. So I'm gonna scroll back and see if I can find any back here. I'm not gonna force it. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, like this level here is pretty good. I don't remember if it was above or below the current price, so I'm gonna just make it green. And once I get back over, I'll change it. After I mark these, I'm gonna look for like some supply and demand areas. What? Alright, we back. Yeah, I got a few support and resistance marked on the hourly. Now I'm about to go back up to my 4-hour. I'm gonna see if I can find some supply or demand. I don't see us coming back down here. But this is where price, whoa. Last price came down before it started that move up. I'm gonna make it a region, that way I ain't gotta drag it all the way over. We're gonna make it, we'll keep it this color. I will look for some above now, above this current price level. I would say up here, around 125. But I'm gonna really go with this. I like this here. I'm gonna mark that for resistance real quick. I feel like price could be coming from up here, coming back up here. This could have started our move down further. Even though 123 is really up here, or up there. Let's make this gold outline, get rid of that outline. Now let's come, see the other one's all the way down there. Now let's go back to our 60-minute. And this is all in preparation, like our session is 10:15, it's 10:14, October 14th. So we're back testing October 14th, October 15th through the 18th. And we about to break out of there. This session just started, so we're gonna slow it down a little bit. So like, don't too much happen. I still got levels to mark. But as far as price leaving somewhere on this level, on this time frame, like the move came from up here. Then before that, maybe down here, like. Alright, now we got these couple little levels marked. We're gonna go to our 5 minute and really mark up to our session open since we got our new open. Oh, whoa, bro. Ain't no way that's candle flicker like that. That's a big wick. Let's give me a ray. We opened at this support or no, a little bit above 03. I always mark my session opens with the yellow, this dot, so I just know where it opened up. In this case, gold. It ain't gonna be straight, but I'll fix it later. We're gonna speed it back up. The next notable time of the day will be 10, so it should be 20 around here. And then I'm gonna fast forward to like 7:30 a.m. I'm about to write down the trend I got though. The trend I got right now is a downtrend. Price look like it's coming from down here. For real, for real, for real, for real. Overall downtrend. Overall is a downtrend. 5 minutes. It's look like an uptrend. That was an uptrend. It looked like it started from, looking at the 5 minute or uptrend, started from 119.14. It could be heading up to our break at 120 in the 120s. I'll say 120.19 because that's my first break. Or it could even be hitting the 16, but with us breaking this right here, bro, what is you doing? Let's see how I look on this hourly, cause this 4-hour candle just closed. We're gonna go to the hourly first though, till we break out. Why does it keep wicking? Did it load right? Ain't no way. So it broke out, did a retest all the way down there and took people out. What's this 4-hour candle look like? We closed above, so we heading up to our 120.19. So it's gonna get there before we would even be in a trade. I just wanted to see how price is reacting at our levels right now in this overnight session. Then like I said, I'm gonna fast forward to this day session. Whoa, this thing on a lean. Alright, so we got our 4 hours at 120.20. 122.20. got 120, go to we got 120.19 or 120.20, 121.14, 119.21, and 119.13. Our session opened at 1:20:03. Alright, we got another candle. So we got our high for our Asian session, which we about to mark now. What a ray. This is the high. We're gonna mark it orange. It's gonna be dashed. We're gonna get our low. We'll mark it orange. So it look like we ranging on this 5 minute. Why it look like it wicked? Like the ones on the lower time frame, these candles ain't matching up, bro. Let's hit the session break. Let's go to the 60 minute. Oh, now that looks way different. So we coming back down. Looks like we got some resistance right here to draw. $120.08. Alright. Our 4 minute. I said 4 minute or 4 hour. Definitely ain't even hit a brick yet. Disrespecting this 1 hour resistance we just drew. Our range is between 120.01 and 120.11, so it's like a 10 tick range. So we in this 10 tick range. And 120.01. They broke out. I'm about to fast forward it to 6:30, 7 o'clock. Whoa, there. This next 4 hour close, it closed above where bricks, but it looked like we got some action, like it's about to come back under. So I'm gonna slow it down a little bit, cause we'll be sitting down the next hour. Sitting down to evaluate the data that I just drew on the chart. off this 4 hours time frame. The next close ain't for till 10 a.m. It's 6:41. Here they go with this. Alright, I'm looking at the 60-minute and see how this candle reacts around our brick. Now the 60 look like it's uptrending versus our original downtrend. But with price close under here, I'll be looking for it to come to 18. I ain't gonna hold you, I want to get in on the short. So I'm gonna slow it down. Let's see what other confluences we can find. Go to our 5-minute. I know you can't pause in a live session, so I'm gonna just put it on regular speed. But I kinda don't want to short with these. This is being an uptrend. Like, I'm not gonna go against the trend. This is an uptrend. Or did we break it and we coming back to retest? I think we may be. Cause what I said 19. Yeah, I think I said 19 on this one too. Yep, 19. That's our break. So we got two confirmations. If we can get up here at the 18 for the fill. 5 tick stop loss above 23. If we get at 19, that'd be even better. I'm gonna try to get at 18.
Order submitted.
Get in at 18. Or stop loss above 23. And ultimately, I'm chasing 120.01. The low of the days. There wasn't too much news this day, like something at 8:30. Really want 119, but I don't think I'm gonna get filled at 119. See, it's running away from 19. I probably wouldn't even get filled at 18. Let's do 18, fast forward, see if we get filled. $7:30 is around the true time I'd be getting in anyway. So it's 7:24. Yeah, it's running away. We probably ain't gonna get the fill we want. I think 18 might have been too great of an entry. Cause now if I get in, let's just say 15.
Order filled.
My stop loss is 20. Above this 19, 18, 19. Right now it's a 1-to-1. I don't want no 1-to-1. It came back up to 16. If we hit that 18, I'm gonna be so. Alright, this hour, about to check out the hourly candle in a minute. support here. I didn't really pay attention to that. I needed to close under here. If we come back up or close up here above this little 5-minute support, which I really respected only because I seen an uptrend forming on this hourly frame, but overall it's a downtrend. But like more recently, the last 2 days was like an uptrend. So it was like I kind of wanted to respect it here. My lows being 05, 06. Low of the day. What's my risking 5 to get 10? What's this? 15. But yeah, that probably wasn't too good of a assessment. I forgot that we was in the uptrend on our hourly too. Because on our 4 hour, we was in a downtrend, and that was from the 14th to 10:14 we was looking at. Well, it's still a downtrend, but like it's looking like it's wanting to pull back a little bit. But these levels here, 19, 20, is really good, especially 24. That being the high. But that's me predicting the reversal instead of getting into the flow, being first to the party, which we don't really want to do. Our New York session's opening soon. Prices respecting this little baby trend line. Move. It already broke that one there. Alright, it's 8. Let me see. We might get a retest on this 19. With it being a new hour. Other than that, I don't see us coming back up above it, to close above it. Why are these candles not loading properly? Because it didn't do all that, because we would have got stopped out. And we would have got filled and we would have got stopped out. Or either or. Our session is about to open for New York. Next candle. I think it only looked like that because of the speed I had it on. I'm gonna go to the 60 and see if it still got that same candle. It does. I think let me replay the market. Alright, let's see.
Stop filled.
We got stopped. Price open here. Oh, that's a vertical. Bro, why do they keep giving me that same? That's just horizontal. We're gonna make it gold too. That's our open. So we 0-1. This news coming at 8:30, so we gonna sit back. I still like how our brick is being respected, but I don't want to go against how as well it's been trading in the up direction. I need more confirmation that we're coming down. It's the overnight high. Alright, we retest the high. Yeah, once we got over 19, 20 held. This candle right here was deceptive because that's not even really there. Like every time I load, they move that candle like further into the future. Like that candle was 4 a.m. See, now they like moved it over here. It wasn't doing that any other day. Like, why is it doing that today? If I can get in this area that I just drew. Let's just say 22. Yeah, 22.
Order submitted.
23. I ain't gonna get filled. It's over. Got 10x speed. I ain't tripping. It came down to 23 anyway before it went back up. 28. It ain't make a new high yet either. This hour is up. I ain't got too many bricks. Too much data to go off of. My next line, alright, 30. Maybe. And then 121.14. Not too much to go off of, bro. Like I said, they keep moving this candle and farther into the future. The candle with the wick, like this candle didn't even exist. It was all the way back here earlier. Now it's just following me. Like, hey, what? So I don't even know if I want to get in here. 28.
Order filled.
I didn't even. This is the last trade. I'm about to just watch how price reacts because I don't like how they keep printing candles that they keep dragging this candle with this long wick. Like they're not even printing. I'm sure they're not printing candles from that day. It might be a little out because it's the speed of it, but I don't know why they're doing this today. I'll roll over my contracts, something, but it's not, the debt is not where it needs to be right now. And this is probably where our price is coming back down anyway. Coming back to test this overnight high. I mean this Asian session high. That's the first touch on this zone right here. Maybe we can get some. It's a 1-to-1 right now. But I had 30 with that maybe this next part where price can come up off of. Let's fast forward. Close under here. Boom. Close above here. It's the 15th. Let's see how long it take us. Either get stopped. If it'll be this whole session or the whole week. It's only 9:30. Price is trading in this little range right now. It don't want to get up there. Made a new high on the day. It's ranging right now. Okay, got over there, new high. That 30. At 120.30. Knew it was gonna be stubborn. Close above that, we should be able to run up to 121.13. We cap out at 04. Oh, we did. Hey, let's get another high, man. Let's get up in there. This candle right here is like fake. Max it. Range. This session pretty much over. It's 3 o'clock. 3:55. It didn't hit it before the end of the session. The highest I got was 07.
Target filled.
I know that candle did not do that. But when did it get filled? It didn't even go up here. Oh, they closed it because of the... I know it didn't get filled. They probably closed it because the session was over. But, man... No, it looked like they made it a wick. Yeah, this market replay data is a little flawed today. I'm not taking that one. That one they gave me. But like I said, I'm gonna just finish off this session on 4 hours. Watch how price reacts. It's like every time I go to a different chart, it has a doji as the most recent candle. Like, I don't know why it's doing that today. do think it'll hit this 13 that we had from our last session. hmm That's the direction we had it going. We started off when we first looked at the chart. Our bias was what we were seeing was a downtrend. Then we seen this turnaround right here on the hourly time frame. Didn't really see it on the 4 hour. And the 5 minute was showing an uptrend before our hourly and our 4 hour got on the same track. But our hourly got there before 4 hourly, or appeared to show more data before the 4 hours. But well, I think price is running back up to this zone up here. We're at left quick. Might get stopped up around this 2220 area. It's already trading at its max. So it got to close over here before it pull back. Or we might be seeing a pullback right here before the 2 a.m. candle on the 1016. Yeah, pull back to 30. This is bad bit.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Oh, I just got in. I just got in. So he was just saying, it's 9 a.m. already, but just 4. I mean, 2 a.m. Max. So we didn't get up here. We came back down to this break, trading under it. We're coming back down here. We don't want to get caught in this middle area here. This is where it was ranging before. We want to let price get down here and show us that it wants to do something differently. If it wants to pull back, once it wants to reverse again and come back and trade up here. It's already the 17th. It probably ain't gonna do that by the 18th. This is the 4 hour, so we already at the PM. We almost at Friday now. So if they came down here, we got it going back there. It's already 8 a.m., 9 a.m., new candle now. We got about 2 more candles for this session's over. Might not get there with a break in the way. Yeah, that's it for this session. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. It's Friday. We're gonna be at it again. Tomorrow we're gonna be trading this real time. Not trading live, but I'm gonna be trading this strategy. It's been working. I gotta get this data working so it's operating right. So I'm actually looking at real candles, real data in the market, practicing on some real stuff and not just some fluff they made up. Like I need to look at this past so I can, you know what I mean, pre-predict the future because I'm trying to get this down as be mechanical as possible to not even have to look at my notes to see the trade I want to see and get in and get out. Like I said, this is my A plus, and I'm looking at the 4 hour and the 60 hour because sorry, 4 hour 60 hour. I'm looking at the 4 hour and the 60 minute because this is the trade that requires the most patience and like as far as like it takes like if you're looking at something on the 4 hour, it's going to take longer for it to develop. Same with the 60 minute. It's going to take longer for it to develop. As far as like different from looking at something on the 5 minute. The 5 minute, I'm gonna enter my trades, but I'm looking at the overall picture on the 2 hour, on the 4 hour, and the 1 hour time frame, and it's like a higher probability. It's a longer trade. It's not going to be no scalp. It could be a day trade. I could be in it for a good 2 hours, but mostly I don't want to be in the market longer than 3 hours for real, for real. Like if I'm sitting down at 7:30, I need to be getting up around 10:30, be done for the day. Cause I don't like when I first started trading, I'll be at this trading all day. I'd be looking at the charts all day. Now, like I give myself 3 hours time limit, three trade max limit. Like I don't gotta trade three trades, but the max trades I'll trade is three trades. Alright, but yeah, that's all for today. It's your boy 3. I'm out.